Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face or if this is your first time on my channel, you are so welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. It's been a while since I last uploaded, but I'm back. Yes, I'm back to filming again. So if you haven't subscribed, please just click on the subscribe button down below. Click on the notification bell as well to get notified whenever I upload a video. Today's video is really about this very look I'm wearing. So without wasting much of your time, let's get the video rolling. Okay guys, I went ahead and did my brows off camera, and I'm using the same concealer I used to clean my brows, which is Floma Cosmetics contour palette. Yes, I use that to clean my brow, and I use that as my eyeshadow base, going in with Morphe Jacqueline Hill Ring the Alarm palette. I'm using the shade Secret in my crease area. Yeah, I'm just concentrating that in my crease. My next shade is the shade Alert. I'm diffusing that at the top part of my crease. Please do forgive me, the quality of the video is not the best, but we are still trying to improve. It look a little bit rusty since I have not been filming of late, but just bear with me, things will go back to normal if God permits. Now I'm going in with my concealer, not cutting my crease though. I'm using the shade Bomb Ass, and it's a reddish shade. Now I'll try filming with my natural lighting since my ring light has been giving me problem. I don't see the intensity of my eyeshadow. Yeah, the eyeshadow is not all that bright in the video. I don't know if it's my ring light or it's my phone, because I'm currently filming with my phone and I've been having a little bit of a problem with it. So do forgive me. We'll just be improving as we go. We are still trying to hit 1K, so if you haven't subscribed, please do take a moment to subscribe down below. Yes, now I'm going in with that shade Secret to blend any demarcation between that second shade and the first shade, using my eyeliner from Pretty by Floma eyeliner pen to line my eye. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do take a moment, hit the subscribe button. Remember to hit the notification bell as well to get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you have not seen my previous video, I will leave a card in between the video and the top part, so you can click any of the cards. It will lead you straight to my previous videos. Let's go in with my lashes. Sis, don't worry, I know you watch this video. I'll surely film a how to apply lash tutorial for you. Don't worry, I've been requesting this video since not today. I'm using my primer from Ingrid. I hope I got the name right. Yes, Ingrid Cosmetics Makeup Base Primer, smoothing and mattifying. And went ahead with my foundation, and the foundation I used was from Pretty by Floma in the shade SF27. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do hit the subscribe button down below. Leave me a comment down below. Remember to hit the like button as well. Just trust the process. I think as at now you can actually see the intensity of the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow is so pigmented, but I think my setup on my phone is going crazy, so everything was actually dull until it gets to the middle part that I started seeing improvement in the quality of the video. I'm actually using my foundation brush because the concealer I used to highlight is lighter, it's too lighter. That's why I'm using my foundation brush and blending that. And with my previous video, I did a video on how to induce your period naturally, and most of you actually inbox me about some of for further explanation. I'm so pleased and I'm so happy that I was able to help some of you. Do continue showing my channel some support. It means a whole lot. If you have subscribed, do share my videos to your family and friends so that they can also subscribe. Contouring, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Ebony to contour my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my cheeks. Please do comment down below what you want to see next on my channel. I know most of you said how to apply your lashes because Vienna Beauty is on me to do a video on how I apply my lashes. I will surely do one for you. I promise. Fingers crossed. Now I'm just going in with this brush to blend my contouring, and I like using the edge of the brush to blend it. For my nose contouring, I use my foundation brush to blend, a flat foundation brush. I'm still going back with my foundation brush to further blend the places where I contoured and the places where I highlighted to prevent any harsh lines. I got a new powder from Pineapple Cosmetics. They are loose powder in the shade Ivory. I hope I got the name correct. The shade Ivory. Is it Ivory or Ivory? Any of them. Ivory. I think it's Ivory. Okay guys, do check their loose powder. It's not heavy, it's very lighter. I actually love the powder. I think they have like 4 different shades. I just chanced by it in one of the stores here and I'm loving it of late. I'm loving it. This is my first time of using it, and I actually use it to bake. So to set the places where I contoured, I use my Nikak Dual Contour to set the places where I contoured, and I'll be going in with my Karate yes, blush Please, if you haven't subscribed, do click on the subscribe button. I need it. Do click on the subscribe button down below. We have some few numbers to hit 1K. My setting spray is from NYX matte setting spray, and I'm using Catrice the Ultimate Chrome palette to highlight my cheeks, the apple of my cheeks, my brow bone, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. Yes, I love this highlighter. The glow alone is life. It gives me life. Please do forgive me. The quality of my video is not the best, but we'll still try our best. And I know things will change. I'm using the eyeliner pencil from Pretty by Floma to line my waterline. Using the shade Secret and Frame to smoke out my lower lash area. Going in with this NARS pencil, I don't know the name. I'm doing an ombre lip. Please, if you have not subscribed, just hit the subscribe button down below. It's free. Hit the notification bell as well. And if you have subscribed, kindly share this video on your WhatsApp status, your Facebook pages. Just help a sister out. It's been a whole year. I'm struggling to hit 1K. Just help a sister out. So using my concealer from LA Pro Concealer to clean my lips, and my mascara is from Maybelline Classic Volume Mascara. I don't know why my